Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. It's me, Catherine, your English teacher in France. So in this video, everyone, this is actually an answer to someone's question about the difference between the past simple and the present perfect simple. So what's the difference between the present perfect simple and the past simple? Now, the present perfect simple, we use the subject, have or has, plus the past participle form of the verb. For example, I have done. While the past simple form, we use the subject and the verb, which is in the past simple form. For example, I did. Now, what's the difference between the two? We use the present perfect simple and the past simple. When you express something that is finished, or when you express a finished action, you can actually use the present perfect simple and the past simple. For example, you say, I have eaten my lunch, or I ate my lunch. But what is really the difference? Because some people are asking, there must be a difference. Yes, there's a little difference, everyone. That is just with the time. So for example, some people say, I have visited America last year, which is wrong. Because you have there the time last year. Last year is finished time. So you cannot use the present perfect simple have visited. You have to say, I visited America last year. Present perfect simple form, it's also possible, but without the past time. So you just say, I have visited America before. So that's the difference, everyone. So once again, the difference between the two, both are for finished actions, okay? I have eaten my lunch. I ate my lunch. Both are correct. But if there is a finished time that you indicate in your sentence, you have to use the past simple form. So you say, I ate lunch at 12 noon, okay? Or I have eaten lunch. There is no time, all right? For example, you say, I have been to the market yesterday. Is it correct? No. You have there have been. Have been is actually the present perfect simple, but you have yesterday. Yesterday is finished time, so you cannot use have been. Instead, you can say, I was in the market yesterday, or I went to the market yesterday. Another example. She has finished her homework this morning. She has finished is not possible because you're talking about this morning. This morning is finished time, so you have to say, she finished her homework this morning. So finished is the past simple form because you have the finished time, which is this morning, all right? So that's the difference between the two. With finished time, you're going to use the past simple form. Now, without the time specified, you're going to use the present perfect simple. Both may express finished actions, all right? Another example. Fanzo has met his girlfriend 2 weeks ago. Can you see anything wrong with that sentence? Fanzo has met his girlfriend 2 weeks ago. In that sentence, you have the time expression 2 weeks ago. Now, 2 weeks ago, everyone is finished. So, you cannot use the present perfect simple form, which is has met. Instead, you have to use the past simple, which is met. So, you have to say, Fanzo met his girlfriend 2 weeks ago. Another example. We have invited you last week. What's wrong with that sentence? Well, you see, last week. Last week is finished time, so obviously you cannot use have invited. because have invited is present perfect simple. We can't use present perfect simple with finished time. All right? So you just have to say, we invited you last week, or we have invited you. There is no time mentioned. All right? So once again, both present perfect simple and past simple you can use for finished action, but with present perfect simple, there is no time mentioned or specified, but with the past simple, you are talking about past time or finished time. All right?
So in this sentence, because of increasing oil prices, the G-Speed Co. blanked more than usual on shipping charges last month. What do you think is the answer? Well, some of you might say letter B, or some might say letter D. All right, we have two choices here. We have letter B or D. Yes, that was the question of someone to me. So the question is, why is the correct answer D? Why not letter B? Yes, the answer is letter D, which is spent. Spent is the past simple form verb. We use this in this sentence because the sentence here has the time expression last month, which emphasizes finished time. Now remember, when an action is done at a finished time, then we have to use the past simple form, not the present perfect simple. So the answer is letter D, spent. Not has spent. Well, how about letter B? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible, everyone. If we remove the time expression last month, so you can just say, because of increasing oil prices, the G-Speed Co. has spent more than usual on shipping charges. Or, because of increasing oil prices, the G-Speed Co. spent more than usual on shipping charges last month.
I hope you guys understand the difference between present perfect simple and past simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Time to say goodbye.